Welcome back to our channel from cryptowichard, where we explore the world of innovative technologies. In today's video, we dive deep into VeChain, VET, a blockchain platform that is revolutionizing supply chain management. Join us as we uncover the incredible potential and real-world applications of VeChain. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updates every time we upload a new video. I'm thrilled to have you here as we discuss VeChain, one of the most exciting blockchain projects in the industry. Over the next hour, we'll cover the basics, explore its unique features, and examine how it's transforming various industries. So, buckle up and let's dive into the world of VeChain. What is VeChain? VeChain is a blockchain platform that leverages distributed ledger technology to revolutionize supply chain management and enhance various business processes. By harnessing the power of blockchain, VeChain aims to address the challenges of transparency, efficiency, and trust that often plague global supply chains. Traditional supply chains are complex and involve multiple stakeholders, including manufacturers, suppliers, distributors, retailers, and consumers. The lack of transparency and visibility at various stages of the supply chain can lead to inefficiencies, delays, counterfeiting, and a lack of trust among participants. VeChain seeks to overcome these issues by providing a decentralized and immutable ledger that records every transaction and movement of goods. Using VeChain's blockchain, participants in the supply chain can securely and transparently record and verify important information, such as the origin of products, their manufacturing processes, storage conditions, transportation details, and more. This creates an auditable and tamper-proof record that enhances trust and ensures the authenticity, quality, and integrity of products. One of VeChain's key innovations is its integration with Internet of Things, IoT, devices. By connecting physical objects and assets to the blockchain through IoT sensors and tags, VeChain enables real-time data collection and monitoring. This integration allows businesses to track and trace products throughout their life cycle, from raw materials to the end consumer. With this level of visibility, supply chain participants can identify bottlenecks, optimize processes, and respond quickly to any issues or disruptions. In addition to transparency and traceability, VeChain also facilitates multi-party collaboration within the supply chain. By sharing relevant data and information on a decentralized platform, stakeholders can streamline communication, streamline processes, and reduce administrative burdens. This collaborative approach fosters trust and cooperation among participants, leading to improved efficiency and overall supply chain performance. VeChain enables the tokenization of physical assets, allowing businesses to represent real-world objects as digital assets on the blockchain. This tokenization opens up new possibilities for liquidity, fractional ownership, and innovative business models. For example, it can enable the trading of tokenized assets, such as luxury goods or art, in a secure and transparent manner. VeChain's focus on supply chain management and its unique features, such as transparency, traceability, IoT integration, and asset tokenization, make it a powerful tool for businesses looking to transform their operations and build trust with their customers. By utilizing VeChain, companies can optimize their supply chains, reduce costs, mitigate risks, and ultimately deliver better products and services to the market. How does VeChain work? VeChain operates on a unique two-token system consisting of VeChain token, VET, and VeThor token, VTHO. This dual-token model is designed to provide stability and efficiency within the VeChain ecosystem. First, let's discuss the VeChain token, VET. VET serves as the native cryptocurrency of the VeChain blockchain and acts as a store of value. Holders of VET have ownership rights and can participate in various activities within the VeChain network. VET can be used for staking, which involves locking up a certain amount of VET to support the network's security and consensus mechanism. Staking VET allows participants to earn additional rewards, such as VeThor tokens. Now, let's dive into the VeThor token, VTHO. VTHO serves as the energy or gas required to power transactions and execute smart contracts on the VeChain network. Whenever a transaction or smart contract execution occurs on the blockchain, a certain amount of VTHO is consumed as a fee. This fee incentivizes VET holders to stake their tokens and generate VTHO, ensuring a consistent and sufficient supply of energy for network operations. The separation of VET and VTHO in the VE chain ecosystem serves multiple purposes. Firstly, it creates a clear distinction between the store of value, VET, and the utility token, VTHO, within the network. This differentiation helps to maintain a stable ecosystem, as the value of VET is not directly affected by the fluctuating demand for VTHO. The dual token system enables flexibility in fee structures. By using VTHO as the transaction fee, it ensures that the cost of transactions remains stable regardless of the price volatility of VET. This stability is crucial for businesses utilizing the VE chain blockchain, as it allows them to accurately predict and manage their transaction costs. The separation of VET and VTHO provides an economic model that encourages VET holders to stake their tokens. Through staking, participants generate additional VTHO, which can be used to cover transaction fees or sold on exchanges. This incentivizes VET holders to actively participate in securing and supporting the network, contributing to its overall stability and security. VE chain's two-token system, consisting of VET and VTHO, ensures a stable and efficient ecosystem for the VE chain blockchain. VET acts as a store of value, while VTHO serves as the energy or gas for transactions and smart contracts. This separation of roles allows for a predictable fee structure, incentivizes active participation through staking, and maintains a stable value for VET holders. How does VE chain work? VE chain's two-token system, consisting of VE chain token, VET, and VETHOR token, VTHO, plays a crucial role in ensuring a stable and efficient ecosystem for VE chain's operation. VE chain token, VET, serves as the primary token and acts as a store of value within the network. It represents ownership and is held by participants as an investment or means of participation. VET holders have various benefits, such as the ability to stake their tokens, which involves locking them up to support the network security and consensus mechanism. By staking VET, participants earn additional rewards, including VETHOR tokens. On the other hand, VETHOR token, VTHO, serves as the utility token within the VE chain ecosystem. It is used as the energy or gas required to power transactions and execute smart contracts on the network. Whenever a transaction or smart contract execution occurs, a certain amount of VTHO is consumed as a fee. This fee ensures that participants pay for the computational resources and network resources utilized, while also preventing spam and abuse. The separation of VET and VTHO in the dual token model provides several advantages. Firstly, it establishes a clear distinction between the store of value, VET, and the utility token, VTHO. This separation helps to maintain stability within the ecosystem, as the value of VET is not directly influenced by the demand for VTHO. This is particularly important because the value of utility tokens like VTHO can fluctuate due to market forces and usage patterns. The dual token system allows for flexibility in fee structures. By using VTHO as the transaction fee, it ensures that the cost of transactions remains stable, regardless of the price volatility of VET. This stability is beneficial for businesses and users who rely on VE chain's network, as it enables them to accurately predict and manage their transaction costs without being subject to sudden changes in token value. The dual token model incentivizes VET holders to actively participate in securing and supporting the VE chain network. By staking VET, participants generate additional VTHO, which can be used to cover transaction fees or sold on exchanges. This incentivizes VET holders to engage in staking activities, contributing to the network's stability, security, and overall growth. VE chain's two-token system comprising VET and VTHO ensures a stable ecosystem for VE chain's operation. VET serves as a store of value, while VTHO acts as the utility token to power transactions and smart contracts. The separation of roles between the tokens provides stability, fee predictability, and incentivizes active participation within the network, ultimately contributing to the success and efficiency of VE chain's blockchain ecosystem. Key features of VE chain. VE chain stands out among other blockchain platforms due to its array of key features that make it highly suitable for real-world applications. One of its standout features is its strong emphasis on real-world use cases. Value chain is not just a theoretical concept, it actively focuses on practical implementations and solutions for industries across the board. Another notable feature is value chain's seamless integration with Internet of Things, IoT, devices. By combining blockchain technology with IoT, value chain enables the collection and sharing of real-time data from physical objects. This integration facilitates precise tracking, monitoring, and verification of products and assets throughout their entire life cycle. The data collected from IoT devices is securely recorded on the value chain blockchain, ensuring immutability and transparency. Value chain also excels in promoting multi-party collaboration. In complex supply chains, multiple stakeholders are involved, including manufacturers, suppliers, distributors, and retailers. Value chain's blockchain platform provides a secure and decentralized environment for these parties to collaborate and share information, fostering trust, efficiency, and streamlined processes. This collaborative approach reduces data silos, enhances communication, and improves the overall effectiveness of supply chain operations. Enhanced traceability is another significant feature of value chain. By leveraging blockchain's immutability and transparency, value chain enables businesses and consumers to track and trace the origin, journey, and authenticity of products. This enhanced traceability not only helps combat counterfeiting and fraud but also ensures ethical sourcing, quality assurance, and compliance with regulations. Value chain has the capability to tokenize physical assets. This feature allows for the representation of real-world objects, such as luxury goods, art pieces, or even physical infrastructure, as digital assets on the blockchain. Tokenizing physical assets enables fractional ownership, increased liquidity, and innovative business models. It opens up new opportunities for businesses and individuals to interact with assets in a secure, transparent, and efficient manner. Supply chain management. Value chain's impact on supply chain management is indeed significant, introducing a new era of transparency and traceability. By utilizing its blockchain technology, value chain enables businesses to effectively track products throughout the entire supply chain journey, starting from their origin and extending all the way to the end consumer. One of the critical challenges in supply chain management is verifying the authenticity and quality of products. Counterfeiting and fraud pose significant risks to both businesses and consumers. However, value chain's blockchain provides an immutable and transparent record of every transaction and movement within the supply chain. This means that businesses can securely and reliably track and verify the authenticity of products, ensuring that they are genuine and not counterfeit. Value chain's blockchain enhances the monitoring of product quality. By recording key data such as manufacturing processes, storage conditions, and transportation details on the blockchain, businesses can easily access and verify this information. Any discrepancies or issues can be identified promptly, allowing for quick intervention and resolution. This ultimately results in improved product quality and reduces the risk of substandard or unsafe goods reaching consumers. Ethical sourcing is another crucial aspect that value chain addresses in supply chain management. With increasing consumer awareness and demand for ethical practices, businesses need to demonstrate the integrity of their supply chains. Value chain's blockchain technology enables the transparent tracking of raw materials and components, ensuring that they come from sustainable and ethical sources. This level of traceability enhances accountability, supports fair trade, and promotes responsible business practices. By offering unprecedented transparency and traceability, value chain empowers businesses to build trust and credibility with their customers. Consumers can have confidence in the products they purchase, knowing that their origins and journey have been verified. This transparency not only enhances consumer satisfaction but also helps companies differentiate themselves in the market by showcasing their commitment to quality, authenticity, and ethical standards. Value chain's blockchain technology revolutionizes supply chain management by providing unprecedented transparency and traceability. Through value chain, businesses can effectively track products from their origin to the end consumer, ensuring authenticity, quality, and ethical sourcing. By leveraging the power of blockchain, value chain enhances trust, reduces fraud risks, and ultimately improves the overall efficiency and integrity of supply chain operations. Anti-counterfeiting and product authentication. Counterfeiting poses a significant threat to various industries, undermining consumer trust and causing financial losses for businesses. VeChain tackles this issue head-on by offering a tamper-proof system for product authentication, bolstering the integrity of the marketplace. Through VeChain's blockchain technology, each product can be assigned a unique identifier, often in the form of a digital or physical tag. This identifier serves as a digital signature that is securely recorded on the blockchain. It contains essential information about the product, such as its origin, manufacturing details, and supply chain journey. Consumers can leverage this unique identifier to verify the authenticity of a product. By scanning the digital or physical tag, they can access the corresponding information recorded on the VeChain blockchain. This verification process ensures that the product they are purchasing is genuine and not a counterfeit or substandard imitation. The tamper-proof nature of the VeChain blockchain adds another layer of security to the authentication process. Once the product's information is recorded on the blockchain, it becomes immutable and resistant to tampering or alteration. This means that the authenticity of a product can be reliably verified by referring to the information stored on the blockchain, creating a more trustworthy and reliable marketplace. The ability to verify product authenticity through VeChain's tamper-proof system has numerous benefits. Firstly, it protects consumers from purchasing counterfeit goods, which could potentially be harmful or of inferior quality. By having access to reliable information, consumers can make informed decisions and have confidence in the products they are buying. Businesses also benefit from this system as it helps safeguard their reputation and brand value. By adopting VeChain's authentication system, companies can assure their customers that they are purchasing genuine products. This builds trust and fosters long-term relationships with consumers, ultimately leading to increased customer loyalty and positive brand perception. With VeChain, the food industry can ensure the safety and quality of their products. By recording data such as temperature, humidity, and transportation details on the blockchain, potential issues or breaches can be detected and addressed promptly, reducing health risks and increasing consumer confidence. The unique identifiers assigned to products can also serve as a valuable tool for supply chain management. By tracking the movement and verification of products, businesses can gain insights into their supply chain processes, identify potential bottlenecks or vulnerabilities, and take proactive measures to enhance efficiency and security. VeChain's tamper-proof system for product authentication is a powerful tool in combating counterfeiting and creating a more trustworthy marketplace. By assigning unique identifiers and securely recording product information on the blockchain, VeChain enables consumers to verify the authenticity of products, providing them with peace of mind and protecting businesses from reputation damage. This system enhances transparency, builds trust, and contributes to a safer and more reliable ecosystem for industries affected by counterfeiting concerns. The VeChain Foundation. The VeChain Foundation plays a crucial role in overseeing the development and governance of the VeChain ecosystem. As the driving force behind VeChain's growth, the Foundation provides comprehensive support, valuable resources, and expert guidance to businesses and developers seeking to leverage VeChain's technology. One of the primary responsibilities of the VeChain Foundation is to foster a vibrant and thriving ecosystem. They actively engage with businesses, entrepreneurs, and developers, assisting them in understanding and harnessing the potential of VeChain's blockchain technology. This support includes educational initiatives, workshops, and events that aim to promote knowledge sharing and collaboration within the community. The VeChain Foundation offers technical support to facilitate the integration of VeChain's technology into existing systems or the development of new applications. They provide documentation, software development kits, SDKs, and tools that enable developers to build on top of the VeChain blockchain efficiently. By simplifying the development process, the Foundation encourages innovation and the creation of diverse applications across various industries. The VeChain Foundation actively seeks partnerships and collaborations with businesses, institutions, and governments. By forging strategic alliances, they aim to expand the adoption of VeChain's technology and drive real-world implementations. These partnerships often involve joint research and development initiatives, pilot projects, and the establishment of industry-specific use cases. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more trading videos and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content.